Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today I'm going to be building myself a new little shop crane or slash boom. Now this is actually not really going to be used for any sort of forge work, but it's actually going to be used in my camera work for YouTube. I'm getting pretty excited about this one. This should obviously really take and help me get quite a bit of camera angles, new interesting angles done for a fairly cheap cost. Now, if you look these up online, they are expensive as all get out. And I said, you know what? To heck with that. I am a welder and a fabricator and a blacksmith. I'll make it myself, by golly. And so far, I'm doing a decent job. Now, this isn't really a how-to video per se, but I hope you guys will like it anyhow. Alright, so here we are, ladies and gents. This is my little shop crane now. This is going to be very handy and instrumental in the business of blacksmithing here, of doing all this filming work for YouTube and things like that. This is a very stout crane. Now, you may ask, well, how did I come up and develop the measurements? I really didn't come up with any of the measurements at all as far as you know, charted it out with math or anything like that. I just know about what makes a good stable stand. This here is approximately 16 inches by almost 16 inches. It's about 14 inches the opposite direction. It would have been a little better if it was 16 square, would be better. Just remember, the wider the base you put on it, the more stable this will be out at longer distances. One of the things that this thing does is it gives you the ability to add weights back here and counterbalance a camera. Now you can see how handy this is going to be when I'm able to loosen a bolt and slide that clear out over to the fire, and with a ball head mounted on here, I'll be able to aim down at the fire and get some really good forge shots inside the forge. And also, even with this retracted, it has the added benefit that if you loosen these right here, you can, I can get it on the stick there, you can raise the jib portion of the boom. You can raise the jib up of the crane, and now I can get some in-action shots over the anvil. Now I can have that camera so I can get some straight down on it shots. This is going to be very handy for the channel, I think, in the future. I appreciate everybody who's watched this video. If you have any interest in this, within a few weeks I should have plans available for this. If you're watching this video well, if I get the plans done beforehand and you're watching this video, then the plans will already be available and they will be in the description down below, and I will link them at the end of this video. Once again, I'm doing this so I can help out all the other YouTube channels out there, small YouTubers and stuff that want to take and up their video game. And, you know, something like this can really help. It's a simple weld up job. There's not a whole lot to it. I suppose this could be just as handy for holding work lights and you name it. Anything you can think of that you could attach out here to the end where you may not need it all the time. One of the other things you could use this for is as a temporary stock rest. Mount something here so this way you can roll it in and have a stock rest. You could use it, something like this could be very handy in the shop for more than just filming. But let me know what you think of this build down in the comment section below. If you like the video and whatnot, and maybe like to see a little more in-depth kind of review and how I use it and stuff, let me know in the comment section down below if you have any interest. So thank you all for watching this video. God bless you. And like I always say, we'll catch you on the next one.